Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to take JPEG photos on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Taking photos with your iPhone is a simple process, and it's even easier when you understand how to save them as JPEG files. First of all, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see an option called Camera. Tap on it. After that, tap Formats. Once you are on this page, you'll see two different options: high efficiency and most compatible if you want to reduce file size. You can select the high efficiency option, which will capture photos and videos in HEIF format. If you want to take JPEG photos on your iPhone, simply tap and select the most compatible option. Now all your photos will be in JPEG, and easily you can share them. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.